Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we'll be cooking spicy Szechuan string beans with crispy tofu. These are all the ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe. So without further ado, let's start cooking. So first step, we'll prepare all the ingredients for you. So first, I'm just gonna peel the garlic because I haven't brought the, what do you call that? Peeled garlic, so I'm just gonna peel this first. Okay. Now we're gonna chop the garlics. Nice and smooth. So now we're just gonna cut the string beans into smaller strings. Okay guys, now we're gonna cut the tofu into cubes. For this size, we're just gonna divide it into 3 lengthwise. Voila! Okay. So now we're done preparing for all the ingredients. So let's start cooking. First, we're gonna boil some water and add some salt in it. So basically, just salt your water for blanching, because the reason for blanching is, one of the reasons for blanching is, aside from make it as a, to preserve it, but you can use it like during the next time, like after you blanch the vegetables, you can just store them in the fridge or freezer, and the next time that you're gonna cook them, then they're ready to go. Alright guys, so now it's boiling, so now we're gonna blanch the string beans. I'll just blanch it batch by batch so that we won't overcrowd it. Alright, so we're just gonna blanch this. Okay. So as you can see, the color has improved. The color is much more brighter than before, so just gonna blanch it for about until it's al dente. 15 seconds. Okay. Just put this here. Okay, so now we have a pan here. Add some oil. So we're gonna fry the tofu. Okay, now that the oil is hot, now we're gonna fry the tofu. And by the way guys, make sure that the tofu that you'll buy is the firm tofu or extra firm. You don't want to be buying silken tofu for deep frying. Okay? We're just gonna set the fried tofu, and let's just fry the other batch next. Now this is nice, crispy on the outside. We're gonna set aside most of the oil. I'm just gonna strain this thing Now, in the same pan, we're gonna add the garlic. We're gonna add this lauganma, this chili flake. This one is rich in flavor, so I really love this brand. So good. Okay, so we'll slowly roast the chili oil to bring out this flavor. Roast it. Now we're gonna add beans. So now we're gonna do is that we'll combine the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some sugar good. Okay. So just gonna mix this. Now we'll add the tofu. Now we're gonna add the seasoning mixture. Right now. Okay. Ooh, the smell. Smell of different flavors. Now, so we'll just have a taste to see if the seasoning is already perfect, or should we add some salt? Okay, and add a little bit of salt. Just a bit. Okay, and finishing touch, pepper. Good. Okay, now we're done, guys. So let's just plate it up. Here's the final dish. Just gonna. Okay, for some garnish, we're just gonna chop it on an angle. Some spring onions. Just finish this with some spring onions. Hey guys, so here's the spicy Szechuan string beans with crispy tofu. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, now it's time for taste test. So okay guys, it's not time for the finale. Some beans. Very good. Now guys, I love the infusion of the lauganma chili flake oil and with the soy, rice vinegar and sugar. Perfect. If you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification down below. And if you want the recipes, we have the link here below, so just click it and download the PDF file. Okay guys, so see you in the next episode.